One love, one love. Let's get together and be alright. Let's give thanks to the Lord and it will be alright. Now let me hear you say, one love. What about that? One love. Let's get together and be alright. Let's give thanks to the Lord and it will be alright. Everything's okay, guys. Everything's okay, brothers and sisters. Welcome back again to another video. Nothing but peace be with you. Nothing but love. Always. Namaste, amitabha. So, love is here. Love is winning. Ain't nothing stopping it. It is inevitable. It has been said. And it is true. Now, as everything unfolds more and more and more, love is gonna only find better ground. So just align to it already. Just surrender the suffering. Surrender the doubt. Surrender the fear. Surrender all these things that are self-destructing. And that's what we're going to talk about. Everything that makes us suffer is things that we are actually holding on to. I know, I'm sorry, it might seem not what we want to hear, but it's the truth. Because the truth is that everything is okay. Everything's already love. Everything's already peace. It is our perspective. It is how we see that creates these experiences that may not seem so beautiful. And it is how we see these experiences that might actually be beautiful. It's all perception. It is all how you see everything. It is all from your point of observation, from your point of where your heart is, from where you literally ground your awareness from. So as everything gets exposed, everything, all the stuff that may seem troublesome in the world, all the turmoils and all that stuff, all of that, that's just external stuff that wasn't grounded in pure love. Everything that was built from 10 years ago, 100 years ago, 1,000 years ago, if it wasn't built out of love and out of the integrity of how the universe designed it to be, it is gonna fall. That is inevitable. That is just the way it is. And it creates a fertile ground for love and everything else to bloom. So here we go. Here we are in this beautiful time of love and unity and true freedom to be yourself, your true self. This is the greatest opportunity we have, to be your true self and build from that space of your heart, for you to truly be free and truly sing and dance and hug and kiss and go grow your fruits and veggies and be dancing and living truly free. It is an amazing time. It is such an amazing time, and it's only gonna get more potent. It is only gonna get more real. It's so amazing. So here we go, guys. It's happening, and I am ever more excited because it's only gonna get better and better. The best is yet to come. God, the universe supports life. So join life. Get rid of all the doubt now. There's no time for it. Get rid of your ego, personal self. It's very simple. I've said it in so many videos. If you've been watching, if not, go back to a couple of videos. But I say it all the time. Simply observe. Simply don't attach and identify with your mind, your ego, your thoughts, the emotions, with everything that comes. Simply observe. Stay present. Stay in the now. Let your awareness be clear. Let your consciousness just be conscious. You don't have to pull in any way. Just sit back like a baby. Like a baby just observes. It just looks, and it doesn't even analyze. It just looks, and it's in wonder. And that's all we're being asked to, is to be a baby of the universe again, to be a child of the universe, a child of God, and everything will be okay. You will re-root yourself in a deeper understanding of love, in a deeper understanding of who you are, and you will ground deeper roots, further strengthening your foundation. So when everything out here may feel shaky and strange and whatever, you will not be moved. You will be strong. It's like when a tornado or a hurricane comes through, only the deepest rooted trees with the strongest trunks, like these beautiful majestic redwoods right behind me, they won't move. Only the weak trees will get thrown out. So it is amazing time to be alive, everyone. I love you so much. I love you so much. It's like I can't say it enough, because that's what we need right now. Love, 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 because that's what is gonna get everybody through whatever bad situation they may be seeming that they be in. Although it is already one, the oneness is here, and it is all majestic. So please trust yourself, allow yourself to be. God has already won, the universe has already won, and now it's just time for you to rejoice, for you to celebrate, for you to truly just be free, truly be free. As everything out in the world may be getting very shaky, it is an opportunity for you to deepen your roots and rebuild in the way that's more sustainable for yourself, in your heart, in your consciousness, in your immediate observation, and everything outside of your senses will mold to your vibration. So nothing but good love, nothing but high vibes. High five, low five, up high, down low, everywhere, as above, so below. I love you guys. I'm just having so much fun, guys, to be honest. I'm just having so much fun, and I'm trying to get us all on the same field, because you need to be experiencing life from this beautiful space. And I'm not saying you need to be like, it's all your free will. I'm just saying that it is much, much, much pleasant and graceful and peaceful from this higher vantage point of pure awareness, of pure love. And in the end, it's always gonna be like that. So it is all to simply eliminate all suffering and all confusion and all ignorance, so we can all truly, truly be one, truly. So all the biases, all the fear, all these things that keep us separated and divided and, you know, just confused, and, you know, gives room for wars and greed and all this stuff. So all that can just finally be obsolete. We don't need that. All you guys know we don't need that. We're simply evolving now. Heaven on earth is here, and it's here to stay, and we're only going to get stronger. The spirit of the universe is only going to go even more stronger, and y'all be ready. Y'all come on board. It's time to fly. Spread your wings and fly. Love you guys. I'll end it at that. Peace, peace, peace. Always be with you. Come out. Take deep breaths in nature. Fill your heart and self with love and everything that is beautiful, that is here. And peace, amitabha, always be with you.